This is English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking online. All right, hello and welcome. I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, your English professor. I have my coffee here and I'm ready to go, and I hope you are too. All right, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and go to home. I'm here in home. And I am here with our great image of the brain, which is a wonderful metaphor for critical thinking, turning on our brains. We'll discover that during the course of this 8-week course. And how can we become focused immediately? Well, learn what we are doing in class by, number one, clicking on frequently asked questions here. All of your questions about what textbook you need, what we're going to study, all of those common questions are here. And you can also click on modules right here. Now, modules is incredibly important because it contains all our weekly lesson plans. And it's really the only tab we need. Modules is in the left tab here, and right below it is syllabus. And you can review your grades. All of my pages in the class are here. And of course, you have Canvas tutorials if you are unfamiliar with working online, and we have our nifty Office 365 with all of the different apps you can use, and of course Quest for Online Success. So these are all visible to you, but our big tab is Modules, which contains all our weekly lesson plans. Now I can click on it here, or I can click on it here in this handy link I created for you. I'm going to click on it here. So I can see modules, and I see week 9, our to-do list for October 22nd through 26, 2018. We can learn all about this class, and this is the link that I had on the first page to this assignment, to the FAQ, and let's go ahead and look at it. Okay, it's just coming up. I'm from that generation where we had typewriters, and I expect my technology, very ironically, to be super quick. And when it's not, I become impatient. It has to take a nanosecond, or I think it's too long. Well, here are our FAQ, frequently asked questions, with all of the information you might want to know about this course, its purpose, why you should use modules every week, what you should read, and so on. It's all right here. And so this information is your first assignment. Okay, and we also have, of course, our textbook listed here, which is this little book about how to write a college level essay, and it's available in West Bookstore. Okay, so I'll slip that in very quickly. I'm going to go ahead and take us back to home and let you know again, you have 2 very quick links to being organized, our FAQ here, and clicking on modules here. All right, so welcome to English 103. I look forward to working with you. I'm going to try to go back to this little PowerPoint greeting I created for you. It's pretty nifty. Let me see that banner again. We are English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking. Here's my great little computer. And of course, hello and welcome very sincerely from me. I look forward to working with you. And again, I am this unpronounceable name, Nuala Mary Linka. I'm not even sure if I know how to pronounce it myself, and I'm 56. So call me Nunu. And of course, I am your English teacher. And again, hello and welcome. One last thing. Here I am, and I was giving you my hello and welcome. I wanted to remind you that you can message me an inbox here if you have any questions. I'm just going to click on it very quickly. We would go to this pencil icon here. You would select our course, which is English 103. You could write in the first couple of letters of my name or my name, and it'll pop up. I wrote in my first name. And whatever you're concerned about, try to put it in the subject line. Don't just ask me for help. Tell me what it is so I can open up a different screen and have that ready to work with you. Tell me what's going on and send me a message, and I will be ready to help you instantly. Okay, so I'm back and home here, and I'm going to take us yet again to my nifty little message so that I can actually sign out of the class, sign out of this video. But again, the third time, hello and welcome. I look forward to working with you. I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu. So let's get started. I'm ready. Are you? Freshly ground coffee. All right.